Retek Industries Incorporated is a professional larger supplier of refrigeration accessories and tools, specializing in providing condensers, evaporators, heat exchangers, thermostats, filter dryers, insulation material, and capacitors. Our products are widely used in refrigerators, freezers, display cabinets, wine coolers, air conditioners, and water dispensers, and all other refrigeration equipment. With 15 years of experience in the field of refrigeration, we have established strong partnerships with globally renowned manufacturers of refrigerators, freezers, and air conditioners. Our products are exported to over 80 countries such as USA, Canada, Germany, Italy, Mexico, Korea, Japan, Indonesia, Pakistan, Malaysia, Brazil, Turkey, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, and so on, with an annual sales revenue reaching US $22,400,000. Adhering to the principle of integrity-based and customer-oriented, Retekool always take quality first. We focus on high quality and also do our improvement to make high-efficient products for the customers. In the future, our company will continue to strive to develop higher-level products with advanced technologies, high quality, first-rate services, and competitive price. We have great confidence in our products. If you are interested in any of our products or require new installations as well as routine maintenance work or repairs, please feel free to contact us. Our extensive product line can meet your needs perfectly. We look forward to serving you. Come your best partner. Retekool, real cool.
Hello everyone, glad to see you here. We look forward to cooperating with you. We warmly welcome friends from all over the world to visit us. Welcome to Retekool. Retekool, real cool.